Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to do the maiden on the Dynam Grand Cruiser or Cessna 310. I'm just taxiing her down to the other end of the runway here, trying to keep her straight so I can do my range test. All right, so I can get a look at the lights here. Okay, let's go ahead and do a range test position here. All right, we got power and throttle and everything, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and bring her back down here. You can get a better look at her. Like I say, this is the new Grand Cruiser by Dynam version 2. There's the sandhill cranes flying right there. That's what you're hearing, besides me yammering on. And so we're gonna take her up. I'm running a 2700 3S battery, and the only place you've got to put it, which is right up front. It just kind of goes in at an angle. And it seems the CG for this plane is basically straight down from the top of the canopy there, right here, straight across. So about 1.5 inches in from the leading edge of the wing there. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Rudder's a little anemic, but that's because I got it set for the least amount of deflection, so I may change it. So let's, without further ado,
gear up.
seems to be flying okay. Got something hanging up. Something's vibrating. I thought I had the props balanced. Definitely not a rocket ship by any means.
Landing flaps.
Yeah.
Takeoff flaps.
She's got problems, folks. Something going on with her. Got her down though. Something vibrating. And I'm wondering, I know my wheels are on there secure and I got those cowlings on, I got them glued on, but they're definitely a vibration. Let's get in here. Let me stand in front of the front of the props here, and you know what it is? It's not the prop. It's that spinner. It's the spinners. They seem to be a little wonky. So I'll have to go back and work on them. Tell you what, I just about had to fly her full speed almost the whole time. Full throttle, because she's like doesn't have hardly any power. But that's okay. If I was to fly her on a more I'm going to leave the landing gear up for now. I think I was a flyer on a calmer day. Might be better. Definitely don't want to use landing flaps. Hey, but she lands pretty easy. I can just imagine how this plane would be on a nice calm day. Of course, I got to figure out, cutting grass here, got to figure out what that vibration is. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with her.
Gear up.
When I go full throttle, the vibration goes away.
Gear down.
But you don't want to fly full throttle all the time. Definitely got to work on a down mix. Yeah, definitely got to work on a down mix. With that elevator, because she does want to balloon when I put them flaps up. So stand by here. We're gonna go to our flap settings and we're gonna put a little down elevator. Put about 10% for takeoff flaps. Let's go with 20% for now for landing flaps.
Landing flaps.
Okay, let's see.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
I think we're gonna need more than that. Let's try 30% down elevator. And 15%, okay.
Takeoff flaps.
15% down elevator with takeoff
Flaps.
and 30% down elevator with landing. And we'll see how that does. All right. Yeah, she's not a rocket ship. That is for certain, not a rocket ship. And that's okay.
Landing flaps.
That's better. That's a little bit better.
Flaps up. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
That's a little bit better. Yeah. If I come up here on a nice calm day, I can imagine how much better this thing would fly. Okay. Well, that wind is rocking her around. but not bad at all. Not bad at all. But I think we're gonna call that quits. Yeah, I definitely got to figure out what that vibration is. And let's take her back to the bench here. All right.
Motor on.
That's what you want to hear. Yeah, I think I'm going to need to put some better... If y'all come up with some suggestions, I can try her on force cell. I'm just worried about the ESCs. They're not, from what I understand, they're not designed for it, but we'll see. Keep an eye on it. And maybe a different prop configuration, maybe a two-bladed prop. And you know, and I've got an AR36A. Let me get my battery checker and we'll see what our battery life is. Not a smart telemetry ESC, so I have to do it the old-fashioned way. All right, props off. Okay. All right, I'm definitely got to go in there and get some more authority. More authority on the prop or the rudder, but I can fix that. All right, let's get this out of here and we can show you. That was 4 minutes and 29 seconds. So, or 39 seconds, sorry. So almost a 5-minute flight for the Maiden. And that puts us 57%. So 6 minutes would have been perfect. Or the full 5 minute, 6-minute flight on a 2700 Hobby Star. All right, folks. Well, there you go. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Need y'all to... If y'all are praying people, put a prayer out from my dad. As soon as I get down here, go home, get a little bit of sleep, and hopefully go get him at the hospital. He has some problems with his lungs filling up with fluid, and you know, Mom can go in, but I can't. Only one person allowed in at a time because of you know, COVID stuff. So if y'all are praying people, pray for my dad. Thank you so much for watching. It's early morning. Now I can go home and tend to my dad. That was the Maiden for the Grand Cruiser version 2. As you can see, that's the only stickers. The Dynam there on the tail, the Dynam, and on the side, because the stock stickers that came with it also completely clash. So, and CG is basically where they've got this reinforcement spar straight across here. So put your fingers in there. Well, of course, I don't have the battery in there, but there you go. Right about there is CG. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's the Dynam Grand Cruiser. So far, pretty impressed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.